There are two types of people in the crypto space. One that cares about the short term value and being able to gain as much as possible now, versus people that actually see the long term value in cryptocurrency and want to be invested into it for the long run. Now, when you are invested into it for the long run, you still run into the same issues that people um, have in the short term, right? Shorter term. Let's say it's 2 years versus 10 years or 20 or 30 years. If you have a long term gain that you end up having, you still end up paying the long term capital gains tax with it. However, there's a way around that that's legal, obviously, that you can see that with a Roth IRA. And what I want to go over today is I want to go through the iTrustCapital platform because I feel like people are missing out on this long term value, especially if they have forever cryptocurrency. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for iTrustCapital down below, feel free to do so. The link will be at the top of the description. You can get a $100 funding bonus when you use my link. You sign up and fund a new iTrustCapital account. And obviously, you have the availability to kind of go through this with me. If you set this up, pause the video and set this up. You can navigate your platform just like I am. So check out that link down below. But I think people tend to get things messed up, right? I know that when we talk about cryptocurrency and we talk about the short-term plays, like a Dogecoin, right? Or we talk about a Shiba Inu, or we talk about a meme coin that's there. There's a lot more than just short-term value that you can get with something. Now, if you had a Bitcoin or an Ethereum or an XRP, it doesn't mean that you can't gain that short-term value. It doesn't mean that you can't easily profit from that. It means that you want to set yourself up for success in that short term for the popularity, but then also understand the use, the way it can be implemented into the markets, the way it can be, utilized around the world, right? Not just in one country or one business or anything. It's literally can be worldwide at any moment, right? And many people are holding cryptocurrencies in various countries, especially if you talk about the top cryptocurrencies there. So make sure you guys stick around for this whole video just so that you get an understanding of how this can really benefit you. But iTrustCapital, just to go through the platform, if you sign up, go through iTrustCapital, go through this link, open an account. You'll be able to see all the different benefits that they do have as you scroll down here. If you had an exchange and took a profit of $50,000, you'd be paying capital gains tax versus a Roth IRA. If you do qualify for it, you would pay zero capital gains tax, right? Now, for certain accounts, like a traditional IRA, taxes are deferred, not necessarily just wiped away, but you still have that ability to gather through the long term and be able to, in the end, pay those taxes. So it's still a larger benefit, as you go through this process. Now, in order to qualify, because I know most people are probably looking at that Roth IRA, in order to qualify for a Roth IRA, just to give you information, so you have to be single filers will have to make under $153,000, and joint filers will have to make under $242,000 to contribute the maximum amount to a Roth IRA. If you make less than that, then you don't have to worry about that, and you can contribute to a Roth IRA and be able to get the benefits of not having any taxes in the end all be all as long as you go through the full term of your Roth IRA. It's not something that you're looking at short term, it's something that you're looking at multiple years, tens, decades basically, ahead of time. So just to go through the platform, this is what you walk into. So after you sign up and get an account and everything like that, this is what you walk into. You set up whatever IRA you would have, a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA. Simple, you would just open an IRA account. And once you go into here, it's going to meet you with traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, inherited traditional IRA, or inherited Roth IRA. So you can select whatever you're going to select. I would say one of the top two. And if you're getting a Roth IRA, you would select that and you would go and fill out all of that information. I have a traditional IRA, which I'm going to have to cancel this right here. I have a traditional IRA that you see right before you with $461.29. It is down $11.60 over the last 24 hours, and this is just based on whatever I invested into. Now, before we get into that specific account, I just wanted to go through the other places here. So you have manager funding sources, so your bank account. You have manager payment methods, so it would be your credit card, debit card, things like that. Open an account, IRA, premium custody. You have a treasury account that you can create, and you can get your taxes or your documents right here. They also give you the Fear and Greed Index there, but if you go into here, you'll get a lot more information. So now you have how your account has been moving over the past day, over the past week, over the past month, 6 months, year, whatever it actually is. You have your funds. So the different funds that you would have, your current balance, your available balance that you have to purchase things, market cap for the overall market, trading volume for the overall market, just to see how popular the market overall is. And then you have your assets. I currently have XRP where I have 334. I'm going to slowly transition a lot of what I hold as forever cryptocurrencies over to here, right? And it has to be a forever balance. It doesn't mean that my whole, let's say XRP, I hold 210,000 XRP. It doesn't mean that 213. It doesn't mean the whole 213,000 XRP is coming over here to iTrustCapital. It means that my forever balance, the ones that I'm not looking to take short-term profit on in the next even 2 to 5 years, right? Or one, I guess even less than that, 0 to 5 years, I wouldn't have on this platform. But things that I'm looking to hold for 10, 20, 30, 40 years, however long would be my forever, that's where it would be. Now you also have your transactions you can go through, fundings, your tax documents there, beneficiaries as well. I like this. This is probably one of my favorite parts of it. Not necessarily like, oh, well, this is the only part that I really deal with. But I like recurring buys. You can schedule a recurring buy very, very easily by just going over here, selecting whatever you want. And then you can select that recurring buy. The frequency, it could be weekly, it could be monthly on the 15th or whatever it is. Then you would have how much you want to contribute, 20 to a maximum of $500,000 weekly if you wanted to, if you have that. If you do, I would guarantee you don't have a Roth IRA. You definitely have a traditional IRA. But either way, you're gaining benefits from it. You can select the whether you want a recurring buy, market order, conditional, whatever those conditions actually are, and your how much you really want to buy, all that stuff. So I talked about that, but it's simple to be able to put a recurring buy and just kind of set it and forget it, so that you can build up a forever balance, and you don't have to have just that short-term look into whatever you hold in Coinbase or Kraken or crypto.com or something. And there are a lot of assets that are available. So view all assets. You have Bitcoin, you have XRP, you have Tron, you have Dogecoin if you want to hold that for a very long time. You have ADA, Link, SUI, which I think definitely I need to have a forever balance over here of all of these. SUI, Link, things that have larger use cases. So anyways, if you guys are interested in setting up an account and just seeing how it will work, feel free to check out my link down below for iTrustCapital, because again, they're offering something that you don't get with a Coinbase or a Kraken or anything like that. You're getting iTrustCapital's trust and security and all of that stuff with it as you are investing into the crypto market, which is definitely cool. So if you guys could, make sure hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you have any questions about iTrustCapital, please let me know in the comment section below, or you can go over to their Twitter and reach out to them, or reach out to them directly, and you can get your answers right from the source. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you iTrustCapital for sponsoring these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.